We also have another follow-up question about how to edit your commercial pages, like your return policy, your privacy policy, all that. Those are edited through your main settings page. So if you go back to your far left menu, you'll click into settings. And then from the settings submenu, you'll choose commercial terms. You'll see here we've got different sections like policy and agreements, declaration information, online designer help. So all of these sections have different pages that you can go in and edit. Let's say you want to edit your returns policy. You'll press edit next to that item. It's going to show you some default content, and by default, you won't be able to go in and start making changes. So to start making changes, you want to turn on the option up here, override default content. So you'll turn that on, and it's going to open up this editor for you to go in and start making changes. So I could come in here and make a change. All right, so again, it's settings, and then from settings, commercial terms. If you are on a multi-store plan, uh, keep in mind that since this is a global change, uh, it's going to show up across all of your web stores. So all of the web stores within one same system share the commercial term information. So they share returns policy, guarantee, privacy policy, so on and so forth. Now they are branded to each individual store using these placeholders like name, support email. So even though it's the same content, usually um, it'll be kind of rebranded to that site. So we'll populate in the site name and the site's email, but the rest of the actual text content will be shared across all of the stores.